I feel today is a very important day. Biden spoke, and Biden said we got it, there is a deal. And our government needs to hear that even people like me, that we're not political and we're not demonstrating on a regular basis. We think we have to take the deal. That's the time, the right time to do it.
So it turns that the President of the United States cares more about the hostages than the Prime Minister of Israel.
I think Benjamin Netanyahu will accept if he was not listening to other parties in the government and cared about the hostages and care about Israel and not caring only about his political achievements and whether he's going to stay Prime Minister or not. I think if he will consider, if he cares about mankind, he should take the deal.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.